New package arrived. BRP passenger seat kit. Let's unbox this and install it. Ooh. Wrapped nicely. Let's pull it out. Whoa. Let's see if there's any damage. My puke. Well, you can't see that it's underneath. Let's see. Jeez. I'm gonna take it out. Good condition. Just a little bit of smudge. Wipe right off. Nice condition. Wow, look at the brand spanking new. About to install. This is probably the easiest install ever. Hopefully. And it comes with foot pegs. But I already have them on the max mount that I bought. I used for like $100-something bucks. Came up. Foot pegs. Wow. Anybody want to buy these? Got you. So it comes with the foot pegs. Like I said, I already have it installed. If somebody wants to buy it, let me know. I got the cross member. Max mount's on, so I have to loosen up the screws. And I'll read the manual on which ones to use. So this is pretty much everything. The seat, brand new. Cross member, the foot pegs, nuts, the bolts. The silver screws are going into this. How do I know it? Because there's only 4, and then there's 6 of these which go through these 3 holes. Duh. Time to install. First, cross member underneath here. Across underneath the darkness. So the cross member goes in this direction. So if your bike is facing this way, it goes this way. Right in there. To start it off, I gotta unscrew or loosen this up so that I can fit the cross member in there snugly. Right now, if I try to put it in there, it's not fitting. So I'm gonna loosen up the 4 bolts right here, and then the 2 on the other side. Since the bolts I changed down on the max mount are silver, shiny, I'm gonna plasti dip in black. Easy, just a few passes. So these silver bolts go right in there. For the meantime, while the plastic dip is setting, I'm going to protect it with some 303 protectant. That way when it's off, I can get all the crevices easy. I don't have to worry about bending over like a contortionist to get these areas. I have OCD, but I'm not about to clean all this. Screw it. Nice and shiny. Plasti dip finished. Time to install. Now I'm adding some Smurf blood, blue Loctite. Oh snap. Now I'm going to torque this down to 12.5 foot-pounds. Now the fun part, you put this on there by sliding it in. I can do it with 2 hands, not 1. That was super easy. Sorry I couldn't record that, but all you do is slide it in. And then it fits in these grooves right here. So as you can see, it slips right in right here. Then right here. Then this lip here. The reason why people have a hard time putting this on is because they don't push the top down. You have to push it down and then push it back. So this lip clears this area of the max mount. And then the button at the top, you push it down and then it sets itself right here. Super simple install. The hardest part was the cross member, because you have to loosen up the bolts, but other than that it's pretty simple. Next I have to adjust my spring. It's already at the 1, 2, 3, third slot, and I'm going to max it out to the 5th, I believe.